Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good afternoon. The Honorable Ma'am Davis Marianti SSM Home, as the chairwoman of the session in this result seminar. The Honorable Ma'am Sneni SPDI MPD, as the second examiner. The Honorable Sir Dr. Musuluddin SSM Home, as the first examiner. The Honorable Sir Dr. Yufriadi SS MPD and Ma'am Fadlia Rahma Muin SPDI FPD as the supervisor, and our audiences who are present today. So don't forget to send salawat to the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the most noble person who brought Islam as a light to this world. In this opportunity, allow me to present my thesis entitled Designing Matcha Website Basic English Learning for Junior High School. Well, my thesis consists five chapters. The first, introduction, literature review, research methodology, and finding and discussion, and the last chapter, conclusion and suggestion. We move to the chapter 1. So there is background. In the background, there are two parts: problems and solution. The problems: lack of student interest in learning English, the use of learning media is still not effective to meet student needs. The third, very limited lesson hours due to time compression. The school use face-to-face role. For the solution, the researcher will design English learning media in the form of a website that contains features and material according to what students need at Junior High School 5 Palopo. Research question: what is appropriate website English learning for grade 8 student of Junior High School Palopo? The objective of the research to design an English learning website for grade 8 student of Junior High School 5 Palopo. The specification of the research: product specifications are expected in the study as a container to provide learning materials in various formats. There are text, image, and video relevant to the learning topic. The significance of the research: there are theoretically and practically. Theoretically, the researcher is expected to use this medium as a reference for further research. Practically, the study is expected to be useful for English teachers as one of the teaching media that can improve the quality of English learning. The second, the students are expected to use this media to improve their ability to learn English and as motivation for students to learn English. Assumption: teachers will use this website as a medium of instruction to help the learning process in class. Second, students will use this website as a learning medium for their needs. The limitation: the materials used are quite limited. Material that is difficult to understand. And the third, limitation in programming skills. We move to the chapter 2, previews related research study. Development of web-based learning media on Islamic religious education subjects at Senior High School to Palangkaraya by Sarula 2020. Designing website for learning speaking skill, a study on English department students of IAIN Palopo by Muhammad Fikri 2023, and development of web-based learning media with design, mathematics, building materials, Elementary School 5 by Swana et al. 2019. For the literature review, there are material development, website, Google site, instructional design materials. We move to the conceptual framework. There are material development, English teaching media, IT, and matcha website. The process begins with the development of relevant and quality materials. This material is then converted into interesting and attractive learning media such as anime, videos, or simulations. Furthermore, this learning media is integrated into a website platform specially designed for learning. Information technology plays an important role in every stage, from creating materials to managing websites. In this way, the resulting website not only presents learning materials effectively, but also allows users to learn independently and flexibly. We move to the chapter 3, research method. The research and development (R&D) approach applied to this study. The researcher utilized the 4D model. There are define, design, develop, and disseminate to design matcha website for junior high school of 5 Palopo students. The subjects of the research. The participant in this research will be class 8 of junior high school 5 Palopo. The procedure of R&D. There are define, design, develop, and disseminate. The technique of data collection, interview, and questionnaire. The technique of data analysis. The first, data analysis of instruments need analysis. The second, the data analysis of the interview. The third, data analysis of questionnaire. And the fourth, data analysis of expertise, judgment, and students' perception. We move to the chapter 4, findings. The first is define. At this stage, the researcher carries out the definition of finding out stage. What is needed by distributing a questionnaire totaling 27 questions, and the number of respondents is 18 students. The researchers started distributing the questionnaire after collecting the instrument validation from an expert, Ma'am Davis Mayan TSSM, who was the expert for the need analysis validation. This is the results of questionnaires. The chart for 4.1, the percentage of students' goals. The researcher prepared 5 choices with the highest quote at point B to communicate in good and correct English. With a score of 50%, most students are preparing to continue their studies and discover English at the next level. Chart 4.24 percentage of platform favorite by students. The graph indicates that Opinion D website was selected with 33.3% of the total points. Students also require YouTube and Google Translate for learning with 27.8%. Next, design. In this phase, the researcher designed their websites using Google Site. The website has a header, content, footer, styling, material menu, video menu, dictionary menu, and practice menu to meet students' need in learning English. So this is the appearance of the matcha website design. Next, develop. In the development stage, the researcher developed a product prototype in the form of an English learning website. This product contains a web title, learning materials, YouTube videos about learning materials, audio listening, an exercise menu accompanied by image and a mini dictionary to increase vocabulary. The result of expert validation, the mean score of the expert validation is 3.75, and according to data, the mean score achieves 3.75 while the percentage is 93.75%, categorized as excellent, and the score indicates that the product can be used by some revision. Second, the revision draft of the Macha website. There are material, language, design, and layout. For the material, the first expert suggests that the website be developed by providing more vocabulary to cover the content of the material and also provide caption in each part of the audio recording. For the language, experts suggest that the website be developed by providing more vocabulary to cover content of the material, also provide captions in each of the audio recording. Design and layout, expert validation say that the display is suitable for opening on device such as laptops, tablets, or cell phones. In other words, the Macha website is responsive. We move to the next. Disseminate. The research was conducted with students of junior high school 5 Palopo. At this stage, the researcher disseminate the product and explain how to use the website to students and teachers, especially for English subject. This activity was held on October 10, 2024 in class 8. At this stage, the researcher socialized the product used at junior high school 5 Palopo. Next discussion. Student and English teachers at junior high school 5 Palopo require web-based learning media to supplement their English learning program because the use of learning media remains ineffective as teachers continue to rely on textbooks and worksheets. This product is designed to meet the requirements and expectation of the pupils, which can be identified through a needs analysis. The researcher discovered that this product might benefit pupils and English teachers. As a result, the study creates a website-based learning research titled Designing Macha Website Basic English Learning for Junior High School. So this research employs for the model, define, design, develop, and disseminate. During the defining step, researchers did a requirement analysis utilizing Hutchinson and Waters 19 and 87 theory, which categorizes needs as essential, lacks, and wants. Next conclusion, the researcher used a 4D model to design this website. The first step is to define. The researcher analyzed the needs of students related to the product, which will be determined using a questionnaire. The second step is design. The researcher designs a website based in English learning media product based on data on the results of the student need analysis. The next step is development. The researcher gives the product to material expert and website development expert to be validated and get suggestions for product improvement for validation expert by writing website components and revising them into a final product draft. And the last step is dissemination. The final product of the website-based English learning media is ready to be used and distributed to Class A students at Junior High School 5 Palopo. Suggestion. There are 3 suggestions. The first, for the students. Students can use this website to improve their understanding of English learning. The second, for the English teacher. English teacher recommend using the website as a supportive medium in teaching English. And the last, for further researcher. It is hoped that further researchers can develop English learning websites that are more complex than the current website to help teachers and students in teaching and learning. Okay, thank you. I think that's all for me. I give back to the chairwoman, Ma'am JVSS.
Okay.